So hey guys, one more thing I'd like to show you today. This is my first freestyle build in a while. This is a Skystars 5-inch frame I got from Banggood. I honestly kind of forgot what the name of it, but I'll put a link in the description below. I built this with the Flywoo Nin Gold Motor ESC combo. So these are 2207 1750, yeah, right, 1750 kV motors with this super nice ESC with the gold. I just had to put this on top of the FC. There's an F7 here in Airbot below. It's stupid to have the ESC above the FC in case you need to access it, but that just looks too cool. I couldn't pass on that. Overall, I mean, this is amazing. It just flies like it reads your mind. I have no idea what kind of magic they used for these motors, but they are insanely smooth. This is just crazy. I paired this with I hope I can get this on camera. This is a Runcam Micro Eagle because it just gives me the most natural and nicest image. And since this is not a racer, I didn't mind that there are other cameras which are better to kind of detect obstacles and contrasts, like the Rattel in my opinion, which is better for that. But this one, it just looks nicest. And the combination, I mean, probably these props also play a role. These are T-Motor 5143, one of my favorite props, although one downside is they are pretty slim. They are too fragile for racing, but on this freestyle build they are completely fine. So this is my freestyle build. Obviously has crossfire. It's got a 1000 milliwatt AKK VTX, so this thing should also have some serious range if I want to do some sort of long range or mid-range flying. Overall, full recommendation of this frame. This is really good quality. It comes with some TPU parts that are absolute garbage. I have no idea how it would what they printed those with, and there is a GoPro mount which probably also is complete garbage. So what I will do is design one for myself and put it up on Thingiverse. But everything else about this frame is really good. So okay, the hardware isn't original. It comes with titanium colored standoffs. I put gold ones in there just to match the motors, but overall really good carbon quality, really good machining quality. Comes with this nice perfectly matching pad here. The arms are separately detachable, and it's possible to purchase single arms, which also isn't always necessarily the case. And another thing I used here, you can kind of see this here behind the camera. Here there's a lost model finder in case I lose this somewhere on mid-range flights. I will also link put a link to this in the description below. So this thing is quite cool. It just beeps even if my battery isn't plugged in anymore and I have to recover this setup somewhere. Yeah. Overall, we're really happy with this freestyle build. Looks really cool.
Alright, I do not have a GoPro mount yet. I still need to find some time to design one, so all I can show you is some DVR. But here you can already see that this setup is incredibly smooth. So this is the combination of these Flywoo motors, which are really dedicated freestyle motors, and you can already feel this if you kind of turn them with your fingers. They aren't notchy at all. They have this smoothness to them, and the props play a big role here too. The T-Motor props are super smooth too, not too aggressive, really light, really responsive, and this gives you this overall feeling of just juiciness and smoothness when flying. So I'm really happy with this setup so far. As you can also see, the image that this camera, the Micro Eagle, produces looks, in my opinion, this is still the best looking feed we have. This looks really natural and nice. Even here on the VR feed in the Fat Sharks, it's actually much better. Yeah, so far so good. I hope you found this interesting. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below.